my YouTube channel. Welcome to the Testing Academy. So the as you know, lecture series is going on. So right now, today topic is what is Rana class and how it is created in real time project and what is the purpose of Rana class, why we create in our project. So in real time, Rana class is most important part of our automation framework, and this is also one of the interview question, like what is Rana class and what is the purpose of Rana class. So maybe interviewer panel will ask. So today I am gonna tell you like what is Rana class and what is the purpose, and we'll create a implementation as well. So Rana class is nothing but it is a main class for executing the Cucumber test scenarios, and it is responsible for discovering the feature file, and then it read the feature file, reading them and executing the associate step definition. So it is a simple definition. Generally it is used to create the, it is used to execute the test scenarios on the browser. And second, like it is responsible as well, like to discover the feature file and reading them and execute the associate step definition. So the main purpose is that, like, to read the feature file, and execute the step definition which is associated with your feature file. So this is the main definition of the uh, Rana class. And in real time, it is look like the same. So we have a one package runner and a couple of imports we have, like a Cucumber JUnit. So right now we are creating for the JUnit and TestNG common framework. So that is the purpose. Then second, we have a run with is nothing but it will tell to the compiler, which is, it is a package. Run with is kind of it will tell to the compiler, like to execute the runner class in uh, j in Cucumber package, in JUnit API Cucumber package. Okay. And second, we have a cucumber option is nothing but it tell to the compile, like where you have to find out the feature file, where you have to find out the glue code, and what kind of tag user provided. So that is the purpose, like to search these three components in your code. That is the main purpose of cucumber option. And this is already we have created the test runner class. Now we will see, now we will see like how in real time we will create the runner classes. So what you have to do, let's move on the IntelliJ. First copy this, complete, first copy this, only these things, this three, and move on the IntelliJ. And this scenario, like this I have created yesterday. So today we will continue on that. So right click on it, we will create one Java file, like test runner is ultimately a Java class. So click on it, Java class, provide here test runner, and click on enter. So see, the runner has been created, package also created. Now whatever we copied from the documentation, just paste it here. So if you see, we pasted here. Okay. So this is the your runner class, how to create. And I already explained here what is the feature file, what is glue, what is feature, what is glue and text. There is also and if you want to see the more detail, you can click on it here. Automatically it will show you the structures, it will show you the tags, it will show you like what is the purpose of here. So this is our runner class, and you can explain your interview panel, like we why we create the runner class. So runner class is create for to execute or to trigger your test scenarios which you will write in this smoke test feature file. So in upcoming lectures we will provide the step definition path. We will provide the smoke test feature, and then we will provide the tags as well. So once we will trigger this from here, automatically what will happen, compiler will search your feature file on this path, and then glue code associated with this feature file based on this tags. So automatically your scenario will execute on the compiler on the browser. Like ultimately we will open the browser, and we will the application automatically the manual test cases will run on the application. So this is the main purpose of runner class. So you can explain in your interview, and slowly we will move ahead on the framework creation. So guys, if you like this lecture, and if you want to to share more lecture like this, so please subscribe my channel, and and if you have any doubt, you can put your comment. So definitely I will try to provide the answers as well. So let's say if you want, if you click on it here, so it is showing the red color. So first you can do, like, if you are facing this, go to the more option, uh, import class, see, and then second run with, if there import class, you can do that same thing, and cucumber import class. So it will automatically import all the packages in IntelliJ. So this is the beauty of IntelliJ as compared to the Eclipse. So please refer IntelliJ. If you like this video, please share, and if you have any doubt, you can comment it here. I will explain. I will I will be very honored, like, if I can explain or I can support you anywhere. Thank you.